As promised, this was not all the ice in the world, but it was enough to cause a little glaze this morning across the valley on some surfaces, including our weather camera here along the traffic circle in Columbiana. Now, as temperatures rose above freezing, any icy spots did just turn a little bit damp, and we've seen light rain and drizzle and a thick cloud cover and fairly low cloud ceilings all day today. Just kind of a murky day. Well, it was on this date 43 years ago that we were in the middle of the famous blizzard of 1978. And while the snow totals with the blizzard of 78 were certainly higher off to our west, from Michigan down to Indiana, western Ohio, around here we had enough snow and with all of the wind that we had tremendous snow drifts, and the wind was really the story with this, because this storm set a pressure record here across our area equivalent to a Category 3 hurricane. When you have that kind of wind caused by those low pressures and you get several inches of snow, you have a lot of problems. But overall, the snowfall totals, aside from the wind, were actually kind of modest. We've had much bigger storms, including the famous November 1950 snowstorm that dropped 2 feet worth of snow, but the wind was not as much of a story with that storm back in 1950. Same thing in 1993. We had a doozy of a storm, but we did not have as much wind as we did with the blizzard of 78. All right, we have no snow out there this evening. It's light rain and drizzle here and there. What you see is what you get for the next few hours. A couple of snowflakes might try to mix in with this. Now, temperatures will drop below freezing tonight, so damp areas can see perhaps a little glaze of ice trying to form once again as we head through the overnight. Temperatures did poke up into the upper 30s earlier on today. It is a little warmer than the same time yesterday, but cooler air is on the move to our north and west, and that cooler air will make inroads starting tonight. We'll drop down to 26 overnight. Well, tomorrow, not a great day either. A lot of clouds for our Wednesday. That's going to keep a real lid on temperatures. A cooler day tomorrow. Stay below freezing. Tomorrow only rising a few degrees up to about 30. Now, this system is going to miss us to the south, but that being said, a couple of flurries might occur tomorrow night and heading into parts of Thursday, even into parts of Friday. There could be a couple of flurries with the flow off the Great Lakes. High pressure will get close enough that we should start to see a little bit of sun as we head into the weekend. But this is a legit cold shot at the end of the week. 9-10 degrees cooler than average at the end of the week. Notice, though, some good news in the longer range towards the end of next week. Around the 3rd or 4th day of February, we'll probably see some 40s. Until then, we'll keep an eye on a system for the end of the weekend, especially Sunday night and into Monday. That system could bring another kind of mixed bag of precipitation, so more details on that in the